Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we're making some beautiful holiday decor using the XFASTEN adhesive metal tapes. I love these tapes. And we're making some beautiful candle holders with the foil copper tape. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some holiday decor. A good quality product makes a successful craft project. And unlike other tapes I've used, XFASTEN tapes have a wonderful adhesion. I'm using scalloped edge scissors here, but you could use pinking shears and get the same effect. I couldn't resist trying the aluminum tape on another project for this video. Walnut Hollow makes amazing wood products, and many of them are perfect for this embossing technique. I'm leaving these shiny, but you could rub some black acrylic paint on them to bring out the pattern and give it a nice patina. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think they'll inspire you, and I will see you next week. Bye.